Hello, today I will be showing you how I make the chunky diamond glittered lip gloss. Stay tuned. I'm going to be starting with versagel as a base as usual, and I will be adding jojoba oil to this mixture along with fractionated coconut oil and vitamin E. In this bowl I just have my jojoba oil and I'm going to get that added. Always make sure to scrape your bowl because there is oftentimes a lot of oil left over. And in this bowl I have coconut oil and vitamin E. I just weighed them together in a bowl because I didn't want to make another dish to clean. Well, these plastic bowls, sometimes I throw them away unless I'm making a lot of products for the day. As you know, I am not one to stir up lip gloss all day, so I'm going to warm up the oil and the versagel mixture. Those little bits, pieces that you see floating around in the water is glitter. I've been making lip gloss all day, so if you see little stuff floating around in the water, it's just glitter and maybe a little bit of oil that probably escaped from the bowl. And this is the glitter, the chunky glitter, that's diamonds that I will be adding to the lip gloss. Okay, so now it is time to mix the oil and versagel together. I'm going to do this in real time so that you can see I really don't stir for too long. I start off by just kind of pushing the oil into the versagel because it's very loose. It has not been incorporated into the versagel at all. So I'm just kind of pushing it in there. And then as it starts to blend together a little bit, I'll kind of speed up the way or change the way that I mix it together. So you'll see me just pushing it in there. Then I may kind of start to fold it over, and then once it gets mixed in good enough, then I'll do a quick stir and then just make sure it's all mixed together, which as you see it's already starting to mix together fairly well. This is my quick stir, and again, this is in real time. It's not sped up or anything. And we're almost there. Here I'm scraping the sides of the bowl. You always want to make sure you get the side and the bottom to make sure everything is mixed. And now I'm just doing kind of like a thorough, making sure I didn't miss anything. And this is done pretty much at this moment. If I wanted to just keep it as a crystal clear gloss, that would be it. But I'm going to be adding some chunky glitter to it. So I'm just going to remove it from the water now. So after you do your water bath, you want to make sure that you wipe your bowl or whatever kind of vessel you use to warm up your product in. Just make sure you wipe it down before you move forward. You don't want to take the chance of any of the water making its way into your product because that will bring its friends, the nasties, along, and we do not want them. I'm just going to check the consistency of my product. It's crystal clear, which is good. I wanted to have a clear base for this chunky diamond glitter. I'm not quite sure how much I want to put in. I'm just going to start with the amount that I weighed, and I'm hoping that should be enough. It may be too much, but if so, I can always go back and just add more clear lip gloss. I'm just going to get this mixed in. When mixing in glitter in your lip gloss, you want to make sure that you mix it very, very well, because glitter tends to group together and click out with its friends. So you just want to make sure that you don't have like spots in your glitter where it's like chunks of glitter just hanging out together in one area. You just want to mix it together very well, and this is the final product. It came out lovely. I really like it. It is unscented, of course. Just the unscented chunky diamond glitter lip gloss, which is available now on our site. Thanks so much for watching.